just a little at a time, it's this gradual process, right? That's what makes a painting interesting, I think. My name is Georgia Baker. I live here in Big Sky, Montana, in the Greater Yellowstone Ecosystem. I love living here. It is a wild place that needs a little love, and I'm here to paint some of the love that I would like to share with people. So I was born in a place called Neuwied, Germany, and that's in West Germany. And when I was 3, my family immigrated to Vancouver. I did encounter something that I was just puzzled about, and this was this killing of a black bear, and it shows me already an animal lover. I got my hand on the bear like, what did you do wrong? My dad was hoping I would stick with the bank as a more professional, stable kind of work situation, but I would doodle on the back of everyone's deposit slip. It's true. There was certain artists from Canada that I really just adored their work, and one was Robert Bateman, who later I took a workshop with. It's a beautiful nature story from this area, and that's kind of what this painting represents, I think. It's just a spectacular mother doing her thing, and she's been part of what's made the conservation piece a success. There's so much thrill involved when the client receives the painting and they're like, I just love it. I donate 20% to a conservation effort that they pick. And so I try to engage a client this way. My husband bought a 5-day heli ski in Revelstoke, and I'd never been stronger in my life. And 9 months to the day, pretty much after that trip was over, I became a quadriplegic. Guillain-Barré syndrome. It comes on very quickly, and in my case, it took 5 days to become a quadriplegic.
Add a bit more. Good.
Beautiful.
Everything outside of the spine and the brain got shut down. I got airlifted to a Chicago hospital. You have to get up and start physical therapy 9 to 5, 7 days a week.
Wow. Great. Right.
Having a partner that's got your back during this is like, it's priceless. I mean, I don't think I would have survived. This is my therapy, and not just for my mental well-being, but also my physical well-being. They're all looking the same here, this one. It's this brown pink. What happened to me, the shutting down of the body in a sense is what I see as shutting down these migration routes. It's like, the nerves that go through your body, it's like those are migration routes. These are essential arteries for these animals to do what they need to do, that they've done for thousands and thousands of years. And we have no right to, cut them off. That's really where the therapy comes in. It really is like therapy. I mean, this could be the ugly stage I was telling you about. I call it PT work, conservation PT work.
It's just so natural. I can't believe it.
Nice, Georgia.
Oh my God, it twinkles! I can't think of any other analogy. I mean, it just hit me like, it was like a ton of bricks one day. I woke up and I went, I know why I had to go through this. Right? You have to keep up moving. You have to keep moving to stay healthy. Moving is life. Keeping the flow of the animals is part of it. I mean, how could we be separate from the animals? See what I mean? It's out here serving it up all day long if you get out here. Just need to be watching. It's beautiful. I mean, it's a gift, isn't it? That we have right here in nature. Wow.